food.
Ay, shit.
Hi, welcome to another. Hey, we're here. We're here.
Ano ba? Hindi mo tinuloy?
Natuwa ako masyado eh.
Ganda. Ganda.
Yung Gucci mo, bakit mo ginaganito eh?
Ilay mo. Diba? Sige.
Nurse yarn?
Sige, ilay mo. Taray.
Yarn?
Sige, ilay mo. Taray.
You're so in love.
Ano, hindi, ano na sila, meron na yung brotherly connection nila, diba?
Right? Hi, Isabel. 안녕하세요. Mga tabag-bag slice. Today we are here at the natural habitat of this creature right here. It's very confused right now, but it's about to attack. Just have to be silent. It's coming close! Nag-debut? 2020 lang na.
Sige nga ulit.
Hilo na ako, te. And that is the end of our Yangbew vlog. Yeah, because it was like getting dark, and you know me, my parents are strict like that, and so we needed to go home, and mainly because the fog was getting thicker. Yeah, and so we couldn't see anything, like, literally. But I would also like to mention that my blind friend, yeah, I'm talking about you, Jashan, he didn't see the snake in front of him, that he was almost going to step on it. But long story short, I freaking saved their lives, basically. So yeah, they freaking owe me. Excuse me, I was reading my book, so I didn't see you there. An update on my life, on my K-pop venture. I bought another one, and this time it's sealed. And I'm telling you, it's a different experience kapag sealed yung album. And I'm like really satisfied on what I got. Okay, so I got the mini album, which is Maverick. So, she expensive, you know, pero actually ito na yung pinakamura na nabili ko sa Shopee. I'll put the link in below. I really love the concept of Maverick because they be killing each other, and that's kind of cute. This time, like, they're bruised, but still hot. They're bruised, you know, but still hot. The reason why I bought the storybook version and why I recommend you guys buying it if you're a Dobby, kasi yung photo book niya is like behind the scenes, and they have like writings on it and naka-indicate which member, you know what I mean, kung sino yung nagsabi nun, ganon. Of course, it's in Korean, some are in English because of Kevin, mainly because of Kevin, and a little bit of Eric's and Jacob's, and you don't usually see that in K-pop albums na behind the scenes yung pinapakita nila. So, I'm going to give a little run through kung anong laman ng album. So, kapag bubuksan mo pa lang siya, meron na agad yung ID. Something, it's like, it's not a photo card, but just like an ID, which is really cool. So, yeah, maganda yung quality ng ID. And hindi ko na-realize na may MBTI palang naka-indicate dun sa baba. And yung birth name, birthday, and then MBTI, which is really cute. And then, yun nga, makikita mo, nakasama na, the whole entire album is actually the freaking photo book, which is really good and efficient. And the fact na sobrang kapal niya. We also have the poster, which is really packaged aesthetically. Hindi ko pa nga siya nabubuksan kasi gusto kong mag-picture dito kasi parang siyang like secret file or what. So I want to do a photo shoot before I open this or before like I tear up kasi we'll never know what will happen. Baka masira yung sticker niya. And then we have, I actually don't know what this is, but I have Eric. Ang alam ko, when I watch unboxing videos, wala daw masyadong used to when it comes to international fans. So yeah, and I also got photo cards, 3, which is isang unit card and dalawang single na photo cards. And the fact that yung nakuha kong ID, I was really hoping for either Sunwoo or New. New is my bias, Sunwoo is like second to that, and I really love their duo. And yeah, pagka-open ko pa lang nung album, nakita ko agad si Sunwoo, I was like, ecstatic, honestly. Yes, answered prayer, period. And then, yung nakita ko naman sa photo cards, which is sino na sa photo cards? Oh yeah, si Jacob at saka si New, which is my biases. And yeah, makapal pala yung quality ng photo card. Isang reason yun why I don't buy K-pop albums before is dahil sa photo cards. I don't see the use of it, but you know, yeah, I saw it. And it's maganda naman yung quality, yung printing and stuff like that. And yung unit card, I got Hyundai and Q. And yeah, I got a lot. I got like 5 of the members. I think, yeah, I got 5 of the members. I think so. Or my math. No, 5. No, 4 pala. Minus this. But you know, I don't know. And yung pinaka gusto ko talaga dito sa Maverick, apart from the song, it's a freaking book! You know, like, sobrang convenient nito sa shelving. Yung shop na pinagbilhan ko, I think, I'm not sure, I'm the first buyer. Pero sa kanya na kasi yung pinakamura. Nakamura ko sa kanya ng 300 pesos. Usually kasi ang K-pop album is like 1-2. And plus shipping fee kasi pupunta like from Korea to Manila. Sobrang bilis yung shipping niya. And the freebie, I got a in-stock photo, which is si Juyeon. Okay, I got 5 of the members, and I really love it. Sobrang risky nung kasi nga ako yung first buyer, but yeah, I left them a review, 5 stars, honestly. Tsaka yung packaging, I'm so glad wala siyang damages or anything, kasi yun yung problema when it comes to K-pop albums. Masana na kapag ship siya internationally, kasi nga, you're paying for something and then sobrang damaged. Kind of a turn off, pero sobrang kapal nung packaging na ginawa niya na very protected ang aking Maverick album. Yes. So yeah, what else am I going to say? wala na akong pera. But you know, I'm happy. This is like my reward for having grinded first semester. And I can be prepared for another semester, another school year. Yes. I guess that's it. Ang dami kong sinabi. Sabi ko, recap lang yung gagawin ko. Hello, we are at our kitchen again, and today I will be making dinner. And I'm going to make gizzard a la croix. I have a pimple. Her name is, what's my pimple's name? Demi. My pimple's name is Demi. Yeah, so meet Demi, everyone. Demi. Okay, first we need a rice. And then, ta-da! The mighty gizzard.
Kung ano ba nang talaga nangyari, hindi pa nila tayo kilala.
Kumuha ka sana ng tinidor.
Dami-dami. Dami-daming sinabi ni Demi.
Ano ba?
Okay, so now we got the gizzard and the rice. Now we need to put water. Yes! Oh my gosh, okay, that's too much. So let's just gonna mush this. So this is spicy tuna San Marino binigay ni mama ka. So, you know, it's optional if you want it to be spicy. Okay, she's ready. Demi! Okay, I'm kidding. Okay, here you go. Here you go. Yes. Gizzard a la croix. Ah! Oh my gosh, Ashmi! Ano yan? Treasure hunt? Ashmi, bad! Bad, girl. Don't... Bad. You finish... Bad, Ashmi! Bad! No chocolate for you! This is why I don't want children. Huh? Hello, it's another voiced over for you guys, and excuse my voice, I've only just woken up from thy slumber, and so yeah, it's been a hot minute, but we've been taking care of these little rascals for a while now, and this is me holding a little Uno. Yeah, she's sweet, you know, we're close, if you know what I mean. And yeah, they freaking love me, you know. And I almost forgot to say that this is the end of the entire vlog. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this. Give it a thumbs up for me to know that you like this video. And yeah, don't forget to comment and subscribe to be Charified. And I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.